Quick video on the Wi-Fi setup that's over here at the Silverpine Hideaway. So Wi-Fi issues can be resolved if you need to restart the system. So this is the Netgear. You're going to be looking for all the green lights that are active on the system. You got a flashing green light here. If you don't have this, you might need to actually unplug. And so in the back you've got that cord on the bottom there. Unplug it. Let the system sit for 3 minutes, plug it back in, and let the system boot back up. Every once in a while we have a power outage. It's a small town, so that's going to occur. However, if you're experiencing problems, you can give us a call in the office and we can reach out and find out what's going on with the cable company. Just find out if there's an outage in the area. You can reach out to us. Our cell number is 208-630-3415, or the office number, it's 208-634-0030. Cheers.